Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we have to discuss a very important and most difficult question of the limit, that is x tends to 0 and e power 3 e power x minus e power minus x minus 2 and divided by x. This is x. So if we have to apply the direct limit here, we will have a denominator a 0. That means the result is infinity. So therefore, before applying the limit in this situation, we have to simplify the question first. So here we have to write down the formula e of x. It is equals to 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial plus dot 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 and so on. So we have to apply this formula during the calculation here. Now let's start the solution of this question. X tends to 0 and we have to break the LCM here. Minus 2 over x. We have to break the LCM here. Now here we have to do some arrangements here. This is 3 e power x upon x, and this is minus 3 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 over x, and that is e power minus x upon x. Dear students, this is 2 over x, and we have to write down minus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x. It is equals to minus 2 upon x. So indirectly this is minus 2 upon x, and why we have to write down this? Because we have to write down this equation in the simple form. So that is why we have to write down minus 2 over x like this, that is minus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x. It is equals to minus 2 upon x. Now we have to write down their pairs here. This is 3x over x minus 3 over x. Here minus x over x, and this is plus 1 upon x. So we have to make the pairs here. Now take out pairwise LCM here. So this is, take out 3 common, e power x minus 1, and just take out the LCM here. Take out minus common here, and this is e power minus x minus plus minus and LCM as well. Take out the LCM also. Now we have a simple situation here to apply the formula e of x. It is equals to like this. Now dear students, just we have to apply the formula here. Limit x tends to 0, that is e power x, it is equals to 1 plus x square upon 2 factorial and so on, and minus 1 whole divided by x. Here just we have to apply the formula of e power x. It is equals to 1 plus x square upon 2 and so on, and this is minus 1, this one. So here we have to apply the formula, and here remember that this is e power minus x. E power minus x, that means we have to put the value x. It is equals to minus x in the same formula here. So this is minus x square, that means plus x square and so on, and minus 1 at the end here, this minus 1. This is e power minus x. We have to use the same formula by using x is equals to minus x here. and the whole divided by x. So this plus 1 minus 1 cancel out here, plus 1 minus 1 cancel out here. So limit x tends to 0, 3 x square upon 2 factorial dot 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 and so on, minus 1 and then minus x plus x square upon 2 factorial and so on, whole divided by x here and x here. Now this will just take out the x common from the numerator here. So this is x tends to 0. So this is 1. This is x square. It becomes x upon 2 factorial and so on, divided by x. Similarly here also we have to take out x common here. So this is minus 1. This is x square. One factor we have to take out common here. So this is x over 2 factorial plus 1 and so on, minus and so on, whole divided by x. Now this x will cancel out to this x, and when we have to apply the limit here, that is x tends to 0, so this x, the next whole factors become 0, and just we have 1 in the bracket here after applying the limit. So this is 3 and minus 1, because the remaining all factors are equal to 0 when we have to apply the limit. So this is 3, this is minus plus 1, and it is equals to 4, and this is the answer of this question here. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Alfaq. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.